Hi students, welcome to eMaths class. Today I am going to teach you the new topic arithmetic progressions. So first we know the definition of arithmetic progressions. First you write the definition of arithmetic progressions. An arithmetic and arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So this is a definition of arithmetic progressions. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. This fixed number is called the common difference of AP. Let us move to an example. 2, 4, 6, 8. So now this is one sequence. So now here this is first term A1 or A1 equals to 2, A2 equals to 4, A3 equal to 6, A4 equal to 8. So these are the terms: first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So now here the common difference means here common difference means D equal to common difference. So how to find the common difference here? So this is second term is 4. So if you find common difference, subtract second term to first term. That means A2 minus A1. A2 means second term is 4, first term is 2. 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. So difference D is 2 here. So next another one is, if you take a third term, that is A3 minus A2. If you subtract third term A3 minus A2, third term by second term, that means 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So the next one is A4 minus A3, that means fourth term, this is A4, Fourth term is 8. 8 minus third term is 6. This is third term here. Okay. 8 minus 6, 2. The difference is 2 here. That means the difference is constant here. The fixed number is called the common difference. That means the fixed number here 2, 2, 2 means common difference 2 is constant here. So this is examples of AP. So next we have to move another one example. 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is another example. So the first term is A1 is 5. Second term A2 is 10. Third term A3 is 15. Next A4, fourth term is 20 here. So how to find difference here? Difference D is equal to second term is 10, first term is 5, means 10 minus 5, answer is 5. So next here another term, third term is 15 minus 10 is 5, difference is 5. Next one, fourth term is 20 minus 15, 20 minus 15 is 5, the difference is 5 is constant here. So this is examples of AP. I hope you all understood how to find difference. Thank you for watching.